Let's go ahead and turn on the scale. And you can see there that it has the potential to show nutritional information, but right now we just have the weight measurement, and I have it set to G for grams. Here I have a lemon that's coming in at 107 grams. So it's a scale. I mean, there's really not much to say about it. It works. So now I'm going to go ahead and pull out my iPad and get this all synced up so that we can check it out with those functions. Alright, so we are back and I have pulled out my iPad and I hope that you can see everything just fine, but I haven't done anything else yet. I do see that the iPad is finding the scale, and by the way, all of this works by Bluetooth. This is not Wi-Fi, this is using Bluetooth, so you need Bluetooth enabled on your device, and also the Bluetooth is automatically enabled on the scale. So it did find it, so I'm going to go ahead and tap on that. And it says please place food on the scale. So I'm going to go back to that same avocado. Let's see what happens. Alright, so the avocado is showing up as 140 grams on the scale itself and also on the iPad as it should. So now what we're going to do is see if we can get some nutritional information. So if we slightly scroll here, my iPad is not that big. This is an iPad mini, so I have to scroll to see this button, but you probably won't have to. You want to click on what's on the scale and then just search the database. This is just an avocado, so I'm just going to type avocado. And we can see that it lists anything with the word avocado, including avocado oil. It also has some of the different brands that you can use. So I'm just going to choose the first one here, which just says avocado. And there we have it. If you noticed on the scale, all of a sudden everything just popped up there, but you can also view it on your device by clicking View Nutrition Facts. And you can see everything that you can see on the scale. So looking directly on the scale here, we can see that it is 233.8 calories. And then the part that interests most people on low carb, we can see that it is 14 grams of total carbs, 9.4 of which are fiber, and 4.6 sugar. Now you saw that it did dim out, it didn't turn off. All you have to do is tap it and then it comes back to life for you. So you can calculate your net carbs and all of that good stuff. Alright, so next I have just a plain old pear. Let's place that on. And let's search for pear. Okay, we have pear halves. Let's see if we can find a whole pear. Oh, that's good. They have the ones in juice as well that you can buy in the little cups. Maybe I should type pears plural. Let's type an S on that. There we go. So I'm just going to select that one. Let's see what comes up. 377 calories, total carbs 88.4, 45.9 grams of sugar. So this is definitely not something that you want if you're on a keto diet, but anyway, it's good to know all of the nutrition facts. And again, the database here that we are using on our app, it consistently updates. So you're always going to be able to get new different foods. If there's something that's not on the database right now for you, it may be in the future.